In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Quip. If you're creating a document and want it to feel more visual or easier to scan, adding images is a simple way to bring your content to life. Quip makes this fast and flexible, and I'll walk you through 3 easy methods, plus a few tips to help you work more smoothly once your images are in place. Let's start with the quickest approach: drag and drop. Open your Quip document and locate the image file on your computer. Formats like JPEG and PNG work great. Click and drag the file straight into the document, then release it where you want the image to appear. Quip will upload it and place it in line right where you dropped it. This is especially handy when you already have the file ready on your desktop or in a folder. If the upload takes a moment, that's normal. Larger images or slower connections may need a few seconds. Next up is the Insert or At menu, which gives you a bit more control if you prefer to place an image precisely. Click in your document where you want the image to go, type At Image, and press Enter. This opens an image picker. From here, choose a file from your device, or pick something you've recently uploaded. Once it's inserted, you can drag the image to refine its placement if needed. This method is perfect when you're already typing and want to keep your hands on the keyboard, or when you need to access your recent uploads without searching your computer again. Another option is copy and paste, which is supported in many cases. If you have an image copied from your computer or another app, simply paste it directly into Quip. If it doesn't work from a particular source, don't worry. That can happen depending on where the image came from. The reliable workaround is to save the image to your device first, then use drag and drop, or the At Image Picker to insert it. After the image is in your document, you can fine-tune it. Click the image to reveal resizing handles, then drag a corner to scale it up or down while keeping the proportions consistent. To move it, click and drag it to a new spot in your text. Images you add become part of the document, so your collaborators can comment directly on them, making feedback and discussion straightforward. That's all you need to add images in Quip. Drag and drop, use the At Image Picker, or copy and paste when supported. Try each method and use the one that fits your workflow.